Hi, welcome to the channel. These days, I saw one advert in my Facebook. When I open the Facebook, every time it's pop up. Then I'm in a car tinkering, painting field. So I thought that tool very useful for me. Have a look. Even the now when I take a phone, see the when I scroll down, you can see here. This is the miracle item. See, you can weld in the water and do like this miracle things. Look like to me that unit doing miracle thingy. Even the weekend soldering like a ECUs. See, very solid welding. So I thought I'm going to order this one because it's very helpful for me. Then I'll order and I had to little bit do the research, make sure not the scam. So I'll do the big research, and if it's okay, then I'll order that tool and come back to you. Hi, welcome back to the channel. After 10 days, I think I got the tool, whatever I name it. I order online. Yeah, first I'll get ready for the all bits and feeds and I'll come back to you. Water, solid metal and the bearing and two piece of plates. Right, I'm excited to open the box. This is not a correct item. All right, okay. You all know we are in a painting field, so I order the mask. I order two. Basically, I'm using this mask next 3 months. Then after that, I'll do the review because this is not a payable review. So first of all, I'll use this one. After 3 months, I'll come back to you and show you what is inside, what's the benefit I got from there. Okay. Right. I think this is the miracle tool, but however, unfortunately, I'm not feeling as I thought. It's very light. Maybe even I didn't feel maybe 100 grams. I didn't feel anyway. It's come with the nice wrapping. Right. First of all, I can see straight it say solder gun, but when I see the advert, it say laser welding. Something not right somewhere. Anyway, made in China. It came with the China. Yeah, right. Yeah. First of all, I didn't see any manual for this one. I don't know how to use it because that's the very weak point for the new items, because many people doesn't have an idea how we using this tool. With negative point anyway, very light, and it came with real solder wire 0.8 mm 350 Celsius 30 grams. That one also made from China. I'm not sure, might be this one, might be, could be something older. I'm not sure because no manual, then I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah, could be. Once it hot, I think I can leave it like that. I'm not sure how we, yeah, we can fix like this. I think we can fix like that, yeah. But it's really like a toy. I feeling it's like that, but I don't know. Anyway, I'll left it as it is. Right. Something there, plastic. Yeah. If you need to pick up something, I'm assuming this is the thing. Is like a tweezer. Right. What is this? Right, I'll fix this one. Basically I need to use my common sense to install this, because that's a bit bad point. I think I had to feed from here. After that I feeling need to press the trigger. Yeah, it's catch. Right. Right, when I press the trigger, yeah, you can see it's going in. Right, okay. Right, and the other thing, this plug not suit for the UK or EU countries. Basically we need adapter. This is my adapter, it didn't come with the part. Yeah, right. Yeah, I can see this light indicate red color. This is on and off switch. Right, okay. I feeling it's get hot. Even I feeling even it's not work. See the power coming here, but I don't know what to say. There is something need to open. Tiny circuit there. Why it's not work? When I trigger the unit, you can see the soldering wire came here. Oh Charlie. Yeah, okay. I think my 22-pound waste, but however I will open the unit and have a look what's going on here. Okay, I'll remove from here. I can see the this porcelain bits inside all melted. Just plug in, it's melted, because I feeling it's try to start the work and same time it's gone. Yeah, not working. Right, according to this video, they said we can't solder the two plates. I'm not thinking this one can do, because this tiny 0.8 mil soldering wire can't do anything. Yeah, but however, I can't see any laser there, but I'll plug in my soldering iron and show you is it possible to welding. Basically, this unit working as a both same inside. If I have a time, I'll remove this inside filament and I can install here, but two different sizes because I don't want to play around. It's hot. Right, we'll try then using two tools. No, even it's can't think anything. Even if it work, I'm not thinking we can solder these two. Have a look this clip. They welding like this one. Do you thinking I can do it? Even I feeling I'm wasting my time. Only the nice thing, this trigger working. No way. Yeah, again wasting time. Even I don't want to try this one, because you can see this video clip what they're doing. No, one thing they said here, anyone can do without experience. Have a look, this nice lady.
Sizzling
Yes,
500 degrees
that's
Celsius.
true. Anyone can operate this trigger and do some tiny jobs. To be honest, this one good for the kids. Unfortunately, they can't play with like this electrical tools. Because of that, I'm not even recommended for kids. Even I'm not recommended to any person without any knowledge using like this tool, ending with bit hustle. But I'm going to do this one now. I know what to do. Right. Wasting my 22 pound. Hopefully you got the answer. Thank you. See you in the next video.